Canva Enterprise 2025, the brand kit automation for US teams. So, Canva Enterprise is a team-focused design platform that centralizes brand assets, enforces brand consistency, and automates brand updates across all corporate designs. So let's talk about its pros and cons. For the pros, it offers brand kit centralization, like store logos, fonts, colors, icons, and imagery in one place. It also offers magic replays, which automatically update the brand assets. It offers lock brand templates, creating template with lock brand elements, and also has brand controls with approval for workflows, an AI-driven brand kit creation, and also role-based access and security. Now let's talk about its cons though. It has cost intensive for large teams, which means enterprise pricing can be really high. It also has an AI brand kit imperfections, and the template lock also has some limitations. It also has complex permission setup. So overall, Canva Enterprise in 2025 offers the most powerful brand automation and governance for US corporate teams. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.